Just landed in Prague and need a SIM card? A lot of people will recommend using online eSIM services or buying a SIM directly at the airport, but trust me, those options are not the cheapest. In this video, I'll show you a smarter and cheaper way to get a local Czech SIM card, with data, for just a few euros. And the best part? You can pick it up right here at the airport in just a few minutes. Let's get started and save you some money. If you Google Czech SIM card for tourists, you'll probably see a bunch of online eSIM services like Airalo, Holafly, or Yesim. They're super easy to use, just buy them online and you're connected in minutes. These services are convenient, but they're also not the cheapest. For example, Airalo charges about €9.50 for 5 GB of data. Holafly gives you unlimited data, but it starts at around 25.55. For just 7 days. And Yesim has 5 GB for €9, which sounds better, but it's still data only, with no phone number, no calls, no texts. So yes, they're convenient, but you're paying for that convenience. Alright, so what if you want a real physical SIM card with data, calls, and texts? All three major Czech operators, Vodafone, T-Mobile, and O2, offer tourist-friendly prepaid SIMs. But here's the thing, even these aren't always cheap either. Let's take a look and compare what you get. T-Mobile, 15 GB of data, plus 100 CZK credit for calls and texts, all for €12. O2, 7 GB of data, plus 50 CZK credit, also €12. Vodafone, 15 GB of data, unlimited SMS, and 100 CZK credit, but it costs €20. And when I was at the airport recently, I even saw an O2 SIM card with 20 GB of data being sold for €24, right at the arrival area. So yeah, better than eSIMs in some cases, especially if you want a phone number, but still not exactly a bargain. But luckily, those aren't your only options. Meet Alzabox. It's one of the biggest online stores in the Czech Republic. And they have a pickup box right inside Prague Airport, called an Alzabox. That means, you can order your SIM card online in advance, choose the airport pickup point, and just grab it when you arrive. I even found a SIM card with 5 GB of data for just 50 CZK, that's around €2. Pretty amazing deal, right? And if you're worried you might not be able to find the Alzabox, here's exactly how to get there. After you land at Terminal 1, turn left and walk all the way to the check-in counters. Exit the terminal through door B2, then just go straight ahead until you reach the Comfort Parking building. Once you're inside, turn right immediately, and the Alzabox will be on your left. Don't worry, the box interface is also available in English, so picking up your SIM card is super easy. You'll find the link to the Alza SIM card right below this video. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more practical travel tips. And most importantly, enjoy your trip to Prague.